Afternoon all. Today we are going to see the program for multi-threading program. That is multi-thread program. The program is very simple because we are going to create a thread one by one. The first thread is need for finding the sum of odd numbers, and the second thread need for finding the sum of even numbers, and the last one need for finding the sum of natural numbers. For this program, it have display the list of odd, even, and total also. For this one, we are using the C programming only. So initially we are adding the headlines header files like studio.h and followed by pthread.h for adding the thread concept, and we are going to define number underscore threads 3 because we want to fulfill the three tasks, and we are using the t as input here because this is a complete thread programming, and we are going to create thread one by one, each having the separate task here, and we are calling the global variables and assigning int j is equal to 0 and j was equal to 0. Here j represent the even numbers and j over represent odd numbers, and we are going to initialize the next global variables like int even sum is equal to 0 followed by sum is equal to 0 and odd sum is equal to 0. Similarly, we are using the array concept as of now. Array help to store the variables, so we are giving the array sizes like for even array giving 50 as a size, and odd number we're giving the 50 as a size here, and we are going to use a function that is helpful to calculate the even numbers and their sum also. As of I know C programming, we are already discussed the for loop and everything, so we are writing the code void even the bracket writing void thread id because thread id given by the system by automatically, then again giving the variables like int I comma n and j is equal to 0 initially, and we are going to write the code n is equal to int of thread id, then for loop. This is for help find the even number. So we're writing the for I is equal to 1 followed by I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Then we are writing the code if I is equal to double equal to 0, then even array of j is equal to I and follow the concept of post increment. Then we are writing the je plus plus. So if at all number divided by 0, sorry, if at all number divided by any number and answer is 0, it's considered as a even number. This is helpful to find the even numbers and total also. Then we are writing the pre thread underscore exit of null for temporarily exit the thread 1, and next thread is for calculate the R numbers and the sum also. So similarly we are giving like this void add void thread id, then int I comma n followed by the same code like that j was equal to 0 and writing the int thread id for loop, and if this R number is if the number divided by any number, if at all 0 not come, that is the odd number, and also find the total. So we're writing the code like that jo plus plus here and finishing the task here. Next task is uh, for calculate the sum of natural number. So sum of natural numbers, you can write the code function called void asterisk symbol sum of void of thread id. So we are writing the code and again initializing the variables like int I comma n and writing the code n is equal to int of thread id, then for loop we are writing the sum n plus equal to I and pthread underscore external. So this is helpful to run the loop and add the sum of natural numbers. Then we are writing the main code. Here writing the pthread id threads of num comma threads and int I comma t, and here we are the user, we have to enter number. So if you give the number, the program will get the input and function it. So that is when writing the code, enter a number and scan of percentage t come and t, then pass the same number to all thread. So if you want to pass the same number, you can write, I already told you t as input here. So you can write the code called pthread underscore create of and thread of 0 dot null even of void underscore t. Similarly, writing the another one for even sum, sorry, odd number, another one writing for the null here. So and then we are give the code called for loop code where wait for all threads to complete. So the thread will be run simultaneously, but here in the program showing like one by one. And we are writing the code called pthread underscore join of threads of threads of I comma null. This is for waiting stage. So once all threads completed, we'll get the execution of the program, and last class we go for the result. So to print the result, we're writing the code called the sum of first n natural number is percentage d slash n t slash comma t comma sum n. Similarly for even sum, similarly for odd sum. Since you have knowledge in C language, you can easily understand. Then we can write the code for I is equal to 0, I less than je plus plus. This is for print the even numbers up to 1. And the another this one for print the odd number. Similarly, we can give slash n for new line. and print exit of pthread underscore exit of null. So this is helpful to release all the threads here and execute the thread here. At last, we get the output here. Suppose if you press a number 5, the sum of first match 5 number is 15 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5 like that. And first of the sum of first 5 even number is 6. Similarly, we can get the answer. The first 2 even number is 2, 4, and first 3 numbers are 1, 3, 5. So I hope that you understand how we can achieve the multi-threading program and get the results. Thank you.